Here's a step-by-step guide on how to change your TikTok password on your PC. First, you need to navigate to TikTok on your computer. You can also use the application, or you can go to TikTok.com, the website, log into your specific account, and after you've done that, remember that in the TikTok website, you do not have the direct option to change your password. So for that, you need to go ahead and click on this More button over here, then select Log Out. Click on Log Out again to confirm. Once you're logged out of that specific account, what you have to do is click on the login option from the top right corner of the screen or the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and select it. Now you'll get various different options to log into your specific account from. So what you can do is go ahead and click on use phone or email. Select the email or the username of that specific account that you want to log into. Click on forgot password. You need to go ahead and click on the send code option. Now TikTok will send a code to your specific Gmail account, which is associated with your TikTok account. Go ahead and enter that code right here. And then you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make sure that your new password meets the specified new requirements. And after entering and confirming your new password, click on login, and you should be now logged into your account with the updated password. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.